This is my 5-image story about circulation and the Coriolis effect. So the directions of the wind, as you can see, the directions of the winds go from east to west rather than north to south. The reasoning behind all the directions is because of the Coriolis effect, which is in the next slide. So as you can see, the westerlies, the wind's blowing south, and then so on. So the Coriolis effect is the result in Earth's rotation on the weather patterns in ocean currents. The Coriolis effect causes thunderstorms to move clockwise in the southern hemisphere and then counterclockwise in the northern. And then objects deflect to the right in the northern hemisphere, objects deflect to the left in the southern hemisphere, as you can see in the picture. And then why air rises, slashes, descends, and where. Air rises because of the land surface being heated by radiation and conduction, causing it to expand and rise. They also rise because gases expand as they heat up. When there is less dense air, then it floats on top of the colder air below it. When there is lower density and a higher density, the lower density will then rise and the higher density falls. The air typically will rise over the equator. So as you can see, the rising warm air is rising up and then descending the cool air. And then general circulation. The climate depends on where Earth is tilted and where the sun rays hitting the Earth. This is how there are different climates in different areas, so it all depends on where the Earth is and where the sun is facing. So as you can see on these pictures, right here, it just depends where the Earth is tilted. Thanks for watching. That's it.